Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by signing into Apple. With your Apple ID, and you complete two-factor verification if needed. Once signed in, go directly to Account and open Orders. Scan the list for the order number or recent purchase date. Make sure to note the current order status, processing, preparing to ship, or shipped, because that status determines whether cancellation is allowed. If you can't find the order, refresh the page and use the search or filters to narrow results before moving to the next step. If the order status shows cancelable, click Cancel Items or Cancel Order and follow the on-screen prompts. Confirm the specific items and submit the cancellation. Once done, look for an email confirmation and refund timing. If cancellation is blocked because the item is in transit, select Contact Support and choose Chat or Call. State the order number and request cancellation or a return authorization. Make sure you have payment and shipping details ready for verification, because support agents will ask for them before they act. After you submit the cancellation or speak with support, watch for a refund confirmation email and then monitor your payment account. Refunds typically post in 3-5 business days but can vary. If the item ships before cancellation processes, make sure to initiate a return through orders once the shipment arrives and follow return instructions. If something goes wrong, failed cancel button, missing order, clear browser cache, try a different browser or device, and then contact Apple support with screenshots and the order number so they can
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.